Alright, everybody. This is Sci-Fi Junk yet again on this lovely, wonderful, yeah, let's see this a second. Desktop, there we go. Still kind of getting used to actually digging this thing out, and, I'm still loving it. Even though just had it since Christmas. Yeah. And I got a lot of stuff installed on there that's for us IT. Yeah, some of us IT guys would actually stick on a tablet. Anyway, so today is lovely Wednesday, January 6th. In about 4 more days, I'll be reminded yet again, like I do every year, that about losing 2 grandfathers. And on the 13th of this month, like I do every year, I'll get reminded that that's when I buried them. Happens to be the same day of my birthday. Yeah. So, anyway, let's go ahead and clean this out. We don't really need any stuff in there, because if I delete it, I delete it, and it's gone. Now, today, I thought that we can go ahead and work on, because remember, we've been doing a little series, off and on, about working with, actually, let's go ahead and bring this, up here, on fairlawaccounting.com. As you guys very well know, we've done only 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Well, 12 pages. Now, since then, they've actually updated their web server, or I should say their website. But if we try to go to their website, oh no, that's got set. Come on now. If we try to go to their website, then you'll see that we still can't get to it. Still shows up as an error, unless it's going to call me stupid again. Show me stupid. Really? You're now going to work after just literally a minute ago not being able to do anything? Come on now. Come on now. Anyway, while that's doing its thing, we'll see if it brings it up. Monday. This last Monday. I was getting a post together because I got a call from Home Advisors Pro. Now, mind you, I was going to put a video about this, and I decided to go ahead and just deal with it. Or, just go ahead and delete the video and just talk about it on stream today. No, strike that. Yeah, it was this Monday. I made a video yesterday, and I decided to change my mind to upload it to YouTube. But anyway, the guy that called me, actually, while we're waiting for that, because I think it's deciding to hang up on itself. Let's go ahead and bring up my Gmail. Now, I don't got anything like, some of the lovely ladies that happen to. Yeah, anyway. So let's go up here. Now, this is the email they sent me, but this is not what they called me for. As you very well see, it says audio visual contractor. The dude that called me, which happens to be this lovely, wonderful guy right there, said it was for IT work and wanted to know what kind of work I do and everything like that. And since I've never really signed up, because you actually have to sign up for this to actually get work back and forth, as far as I understand. Apparently not, because they called me Monday. But interesting thing is he actually says something, about it being IT and wanting to Chad's Computer Services, which that is me. It's not the phone number. It's me. I'm Chad's Computer Services. I'm also Chad Cummings. So I mean, hey. Um, so I was trying to explain to him what I do and what I am, because he thought I was like a company of like 20 some odd people. Yeah, clearly he didn't. They didn't know, because he didn't know. Anyway, um, so I tried to explain it, and then he said something about sending me an email, and here is the lovely email that is set before you. As you will see, like I showed you, it says audio visual contractor. Nothing about IT. Now you guys realize, IT and audio visual is two different things. Yeah. Oh well, it's trying to work. It's trying to work. Really, it's just not doing anything. That's kind of nice. Kind of nice. Anyway, let's go back to this. So, and he straight up said he didn't even know how he got my number, or anything other than the person that gave him my number and told him about me. Didn't tell him anything other than call this number up. And so it's kind of like a left hand right hand situation where marketing doesn't know crap. You would think that they would actually get a little bit more information than just calling up a number and asking for a dude and doing a freaking very sketchy interview, because that's basically what it felt like. It felt like a freaking interview over the phone. Yeah. So, if you're gonna, so this is my advice to Home Advisor Pro, Attack, whatever the other companies are. If you're going to call somebody, please, for the love of God, look into who you're calling. So your marketing department or whoever you get to call people like me will be better prepared to ask the right questions, get to know the person they're calling. And I foresee I probably won't ever get a call from Home Advisor Pro ever again, because I live in the middle of freaking Timbuktu land, and probably the only one within maybe 40, 50 miles of any kind of major city that actually has an IT degree. Probably still in Oklahoma. A lot of good is doing me because, I'm a caregiver now and can't really do too much. So, as you very well see, Verlob is somewhat loaded. Let's see if we could try to get the rest of it, because I seriously doubt. And this is the problem with Verlob. Because I also got a call from the housing authority that I work for, and they actually use Erlob. And so first I got a call from Home Advisor Pro about work, and it come to find out they called me and then about one thing and then sent me an email about something totally different. Then the housing authority called me about Erlob, about an email that they got from them. Actually, to be honest, I think it was no. I think it was actually yesterday that they called. I think it was Tuesday, not Monday. But either way. So, I get a call from the housing authority that I actually do freelance IT work. I used to be their main IT guy, not no more though. Because the board wanted to do their own thing, and yeah. Anyway, so I go up there Because the first thing that Erlob did was to undo everything I did because they said I was pretty much stupid, and the housing authority, for the size of their network, they really didn't need all the stuff that I'd done. Which, you know, I mean, in retrospect, I guess I can agree to some point, in one point or another. But fact is that they're supposed to have taken some stuff off, and one of the things that they had taken off was C Cleaner, which in retrospect, I probably shouldn't have installed if I knew that they were part of the whole SolarWinds hack thing. I actually still have it on my computer, so I know I'm pretty much screwed and owned by the Russians now. But yeah, it's just not wanting to come up. Anyway, if you go ahead and click on the, let's see, where is it? Where? Let's see. Yeah. Well, hang on a second. We actually got it here. I think it's contact us that actually has. Yeah. Okay. So now, if you go ahead, let's see if this will even come out. Let's see. I seriously doubt it because it's causing problems now. It's the web hosting provider they use is pretty much isn't worth crap. This is one of the things that really, in my opinion, don't make sense about what Erlob does. They should be hosting this thing on their network if they were really serious about being an actual company and making them be the only company that handles housing authorities, actually specialize in handling housing authority stuff. But no, they rely on third party. Anyway, so where was I? Oh yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, so we were hang on a second, guys. I gotta make sure that this is not gonna show anything that I don't want. Let's see. See, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I don't think they'll mind. Anyway, let's go ahead and go to, actually, let's go ahead and go to index. Let's do it this way. Anyway, so they, let's see. Anyway, the Housing Authority gets an email about updating their HSS, which is a software that Erlob tells the Housing Authority to use. And it got to the point where the office staff, which is mainly is the administrative director or administrative assistant, not administrator, administrative assistant. Anyway, the administrative assistant does most of like bringing people in and getting you money and all this other stuff, and it's actually starting to actually function as an office now since the former executive director retired. Not saying that the former executive director wasn't bad, but he wasn't. I'd say, but he wasn't all like great. So it's like some things he did, some things he didn't. Kind of anyway. But so we got that one pretty much together. Let's see, that's what we fixed that. It was actually going, but the way they had it is they actually had this going back onto the website. It was doing like pretty much a loop. You would swear that these people would know, especially when it actually says, let's see, where is it? Let's see, best employees. Especially when it says currently has 10 employees. Of those employees, let's not strike that. Currently has 10 employees. Of those, 5 are in counting. The other employees have degrees in business, mathematics, computer science. And you would swear if they actually had a computer science degree, they could code a simple HTML page the right way. You know, close, open, open tabs, close tabs, and all this other stuff. No, because this is where we're at. So, and then I actually had to go ahead. I even had to go as far as to, as you will see, add CSS style sheets, because some of the stuff that they actually had was throwing up all sorts of errors in here too. Actually, while we're here, we'll go ahead and take out this lovely, wonderful space. Well, it didn't really matter if that was gone or not, but it's, for me, it's one of those things to try to clean it up and stuff like that. Yeah, I probably could go ahead and run this through, I think it's Tails or something like that. Actually, it could see validators. Where's validators? No, it was Tidy. I can run it through Tidy, get the spacing and everything like it's supposed to, but it's alright. That's fine. All it's going to do is like get the indented a little bit and kind of show you where all the stuff is and form like it's supposed to, but it's pretty much what it is right now. So that part actually got going right. So let's go with, actually let's go ahead and bring that back up so we can see where we're going to go to next. Oh, I already had it up. So that was service. So where were we at? Contact index, and then the message part. Yeah, I actually had to fix that. I didn't even realize they actually had it the way it was. Actually, let's go ahead and try to go and do it again. See if it's going to work again. I doubt it. But, so let's go ahead back this way. Let's go to services. Let's see. Let's see if we can find problems with it. Again, I use the HTML w3 validator. And we are going to go to services. Okay. And we're going to see what the problem is. The services. No. Get back there. There we go. And support services. Okay. Let's see what the problems are. Now, mind you, I just showed you a page. Let's see, let's go back to that wonderful page about us. Mind you, it says of those degrees, 5 are in accounting, others are in business, mathematics, and computer science. Now, CSS I can understand because not very many people use CSS, except for when elements are obsolete and they decide to do something else. But this right here, I had to say it, even a caveman knows there's something wrong. Now, yeah, it just boggles the brain. So we're gonna go with services. No, there we go. Now, you see a lovely, wonderful problem. We're going to have to copy some stuff over from index, because that's where some of the stuff is going to be from. Which happens to be at least this part. No, 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 no. Copy, paste, save, and then I'm gonna have to rerun it. Let's go show short. Show source. Be ready for your talk right now, man. Upload. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the other and check. Now we're gonna have to borrow this. So I actually did make this. You take this through the. This is what happens when you take it through Tidy Online. Is it actually spaces it out like it's supposed to, tabs it every which way, because that's the reason why this goes like that, and it makes it so much easier to work with. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and copy this over, which was in head. Alright, so we're going to save again. And this is how you're supposed. It's not really that hard to fix an HTML site. I mean, it really isn't. It's not that hard. See, we just eliminated another error. And let's see. Well, that's where all the errors are at. That's where all the errors are at. Anyway, guys, I want to take a quick restroom break, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Now, since the website is kind of partially loaded, mainly is there. Now let's do something. Now I want to show you a little something that us IT guys can do. Okay. Now, actually, let's go ahead and bring that over. Now, let's go ahead and now we're going to trace this. I think it's, it's been a while since I used this command, so I might be using it wrong. Let's go with this. Now, we're going to follow this. Let's smack this right there. No. Yeah. Now, anybody could do this. So I'm not showing anything that is like top secret or anything like that, because this is something anybody can do. In fact, some of us IT guys actually do this occasionally when it comes to our own websites, so we can identify where the hiccup is. And imagine it. Imagine that. See, it's kind of, see, this is where it's at. This is basically where it's at. It just doesn't say that. It shows it somewhere else. So the dances in their lovely, wonderful network. That's the post provider. Yeah. And as you will see, it pretty much crapped out then. And that's wherein lies the problem. If they would have hosted the site themselves, not only would it actually, be getting updated like it's supposed to and be coded the right way, probably have less problems. Because I mean, they could just throw so much a year on the domain name and be done with it. Now we're going to go ahead and close this and work back on. Get back to trying to work on this lovely website that they've conveniently decided to try to code, and incorrectly, I might add. Again. Now, I'm going to go ahead and suggest that we do away with the border, but let's see, where's the table and links TD header. Is that it? Is that what it is? TD TR source code. Let's go ahead and inspect. So this is, yeah, no, that's the body. That's not what I'm after. Table. Oh, and then that's right. They kind of. Okay, yeah. Alright. Yeah, because they've. Yeah. Yeah, because here's the table of everything. Everything in that index page is on a table. So. And then there's a table inside the table. Anyway, holding hands. Okay, so here's a table. Table. Where did I put the table? One. Left right margin with 75%. Table. Wait. Table center. Oh. Wait, what? Table header, table. Table class nav. Oh, table class center. Okay. Huh. Okay, I see what I did now. I basically made it where the table itself auto centers with 900 pixels, margins auto left and right, table layout is auto. So, oh, excuse me. So I could do table. Yeah, I could probably go ahead and just bring all that over. Just bring over the entire table. Because this looks like it is says with 100%, which makes no sense whatsoever. Border equals 2, background color, tier height is 32. What does it say? What's the problem with it? Okay, so height is alright. Height is fine. I can still go ahead and put it in the, in its own little thing. It's just really, yeah, it's just really weird. And then font color, at least they actually had it as a hexadecimal instead of something, but it's still. Okay, so. And then they, really? Are you kidding? Font. That is CSS setting. I said, yeah. Oh, validates nesting rule. Yeah. So I gotta figure out what they were freaking doing there. Um. Yeah. Yeah, because they actually have font face and then font color there. In this company is the very same company that actually has. Oh yeah, I actually remember what I was going for now. Before I had to do the whole bathroom break, restroom break. I actually got a call from the housing authority about updating their stuff, and that they instead of making it an in-app update in the HSS app, they tell you where to go, and it props up a browser, and it actually confused the because these are two separate tables, which makes no sense. Makes no sense whatsoever. which actually confused the administrative assistant, and it threw up a lot of red flags, and it opened up a browser. And apparently, the way it worked beforehand is it would actually go in and just pick up the updates and everything, but it didn't do it this time. So it actually opened up a browser, and she thought it was CCleaner, and that was one of the things that they uninstalled. Anyway, let's see. Let's go ahead. It's kind of weird because I was like, didn't they kind of remove that? But apparently they didn't. Okay, so font alignments. Now, they want it centered. They don't want it centered. Huh. But no, they do want it centered. Same heck. Where's it at? Let's see. Oh, yeah, they're using the style sheet for some of this stuff. But anyway, what was I thinking? Oh yeah. So she calls me up because she knows I could actually somewhat help him out a little bit. And I'm kind of scratching my head saying that doesn't make no sense. So I go up there and I have to walk her through installing this update that's setting off so many red flags that she's never dealt with having to accept a download through Google Chrome, because it actually opened up to Google Chrome because she actually uses Google Chrome as their default browser, or as her default browser. I don't know what the executive director uses. Maybe he uses Edge or whatever. So, and as we all know, if Google Chrome wigs out about something, there's something usually wrong or it's not in their database. And so, I go ahead and tell her to go ahead and hit accept, and accept it. And so she downloads it up and makes sure to open up the folder where it's at, because I think I stuck it in wherever she has it default. That's where it's at. So, so I tell her to go ahead and double click on it. She double click on it. You know what happens after that? Microsoft's there's something screwed up with this program. Error pops up. The one where you have to click on more information and make it where you can actually run it anyway. That popped up. And if you very well remember, according to their About Us page or Contact Us page or whatever it is, they have 10 employees, 5 are accounting, and the rest are supposed to have business, accounting, and computer science degrees. Anyway, let's get back to this lovely, wonderful code that we're attempting to fix and show them how to do it the right way. So they want background image to be image 002. 001 is this, so we're going to have to go ahead and open. Actually, let's go to style sheet. Let's go to where the style sheet is at. See what they have. And that's another thing. They have a style sheet 4 and style sheet, and they're basically the same thing. Yeah. So let's go ahead and bring that up. And they're not even using. No. Cancel. So as you will see, it's right here. It's build pace and build MT. The build MT. Yeah. So they created a style sheet and they decided not to ever use part of our at all. Okay, so let's go ahead and yeah, because it's not even in there whatsoever. Now, mind you, all this right here is generally it's a good idea to stick it in its own file, but I'm just demonstrating on how to fix it. So anyway, we are at body. Come on. Yeah, because body is, yeah. So let's go ahead and fix. Copy this. That is underneath the title. Which I use the title for practically everything. Wait. Title. Yeah, okay. So I'm sticking in the right spot. That's been it, this is one of the things that drives me nuts is to have something like this. So we need to go ahead and close it. Alright. Now, we are going to go ahead and copy this. Except for, we're going to take out the center part. Because I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and go space this out. Space this out a little too. Okay. There you go. That's better. That is better. Okay, so. Oh, wait, no. Actually, it would probably make a lot of sense to do it that way, to be honest. Because everything's centered. Yeah. There again. Seriously. That even did that even come up in the air? No, it didn't come up in the air. Oh, strike that. It did come up in the air. It came in the first go around. Then knocked it, killed it off right there. Please. Why? Why? Um. Yeah, because right here they're using a different font altogether here. Then they want font size +2. Me? Seriously, are you kidding me right now? How? And these are supposed to, like, I'll probably not even, I'm gonna probably repeat it through the entire stream, in one for another. They're supposed to have people that have computer science degrees. Which means their level of understanding on how coding works is supposed to be even beyond my understanding of coding. Holy cow. So, I am going to change my mind and actually bring that. Let's see. Um, And this is what really, really makes me not understand. Actually, let's go ahead and see if there is even really a font side or font name that. There is a font. Okay, that probably worked. So first we're going to take out the freaking center part, because that's just stupid. And then we're going to go ahead and switch that image with this image. Oh, come on now. Come on, copy. I don't even know why I'm doing that, to be honest. To, uh, so, they're wanting the header to be this color. Let's see if I'm actually understanding this right. They're wanting font color to be that there. And then this table to have this color, and then this table to have that color. Why in the world would you do that? Oh, those are background colors. Okay, I see now. Yeah, those are background colors. That's the font color for. Um, yeah, that is no way to do that at all. Yeah, I can actually see that. Training on site. It says we also are available for training on site as well as online. Yeah, well, and see, this is. I don't think they really understand it. If this is how they code their website, why would anyone want to really trust them with a number of things? Because I already don't, I don't trust them at all. The minute I started this series, I guess you can say it's a series, it's more of a stream thing. But the minute I started streaming, fixing their code, is the minute I don't even try. Matter of fact, I don't even know if the app that they're using is all that great. Actually, let's go ahead and see if we can go ahead and bring it up again. No. We can still see. Now, see, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. They, oh, wait. They decided to go ahead and, oh, wait. Huh. Have they decided to try to fix some of their code? No. No. Because part of it still, it does still not make sense at all. Especially for part of it having border 0, and then the rest of them just, yeah. And they're still using the center tag for that. And then, whereas, yeah, they don't even have it closed. So yeah, they still have problems. They still have problems. Are you freaking kidding me? So let's go ahead and go to services. Let's see if their services thing will even pop up. And this is an ongoing thing with them. As you will see, the website's not secured for this part of it anyway. Cookies in use. 2. None of it's blocked. No cookies selected. So yeah, there is. Yeah. Jesus, just and according to this, it's from 2006 to 2021. So they started in 2006. This company started in 2006. And you would think they can code a page worth of crap. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and so they want the font background color to be this. They want the background color for this to be that. So we can go ahead and get rid of this right here. Okay, so that's the font. Okay. I need to go ahead and see it. Yeah. Font. Font there. And then table. And paragraph. That's where that font is. Font face. So it's like they wanted the font. Of course, I'm just going to guess right now at this point that they wanted that font to stretch all the way out to cover these two tables. And then they would just want to stop. And then they wanted to change. See, this is what some of the things that really don't make no difference. If they wanted to go ahead and have it to be a specific one, they could have went ahead and left the background image there, used the font face for the tables, and then because if it stops there and there, then this is just going to use like a system default font for it right here, because this is a table by itself. I'm not even sure that even closes. Okay, so it does close. Yeah, because that just doesn't make any sense whatsoever, to be honest. They really don't. So we're going to go ahead and yeah, I really don't. But we're going to see what this looks like. And we're actually at connection failed. Okay, so that actually... Wait, what? Is that in a table? Wait a minute. Oh, that's actually in a... Jeez, are you kidding me? So this... See, it's the only header one, so we're just gonna header. Yeah, let's try to keep stuff consistent. Yeah, okay. So H1. And then we're going to do actually, what was the okay, so we didn't have to worry about changing font color until H1. Okay. H1 is you know what? Let's look at font color. It's been a while since I've messed with font color CSS text. There we go. It's just font color. No. So it's just color and then the name of the color. Okay. Which then can be hexadecimal, color, and RGB. And they elected to do hexadecimal, which is kind of weird. It's kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. Let's try it. Okay, and it was it's just color. I know I just looked it up, but color CSS, and it was literally just color. CSS color properties, CSS text. So it's just color, and then that. Okay. So let's just go with color, and then they want. So it was parentheses. No, okay. So we're just gonna go with this because they went with. I'm actually surprised that they actually went with hexadecimal, to be honest. And then we're gonna go ahead and close that. There we go. Wait a minute, is it not right? Wait. Well, it is actually properly spaced and everything there, so maybe that's what the problem is. Nope, it just just doesn't look right. Okay, never mind. Huh. Anyway, let's go ahead and save that and see. Okay. I don't think that changed. And then, so we could definitely get rid of this. Nope, don't need that. So H1 is properly coded. Now we're going to with 100%. We got tables again. Um, no, it's table CSS. CSS styling tables because we want to. All right. So we can do the 100% with tables. Okay, so. Okay, so this is. I guess you could say it's nav1, nav2, even though they're. Yeah. Let's go with table nav1. Yeah. Table dot 1. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Let's start it pretty much there. So, and then we want with 300% border for color. That's paste, and then we're gonna go ahead and that, and so it is. Well, yeah, it's not like I forget. Okay, so no, wrong one. And we go ahead and tap that, and the border I think will be no. His border is something similar to that. Border 1px, wait. Yeah, dpx. X. And solid black. See, this is where I never understood it, because company. Um, what was table? Double borders. Example below. Collapse. Says the table of seems small in most cases. So I wonder if the double border thing is border specific. example, a table elements. Yeah, because it's not even the same kind of. Yeah, so we're not. I'm not going to go with border. I think, considering I don't know which kind of border they were actually trying to go with anyway. Because as you can see, it's kind of got where it's a line up here, and then it's a solid line up there and there, and then there's not really much of a solid line there and there. So, yeah, so I'm going to leave the borders out. So I believe that's how I did it with the other, with table nav 2 pixel. I actually had, okay. Wait, really? Open. Oh. Huh. Did I really do that? Table nav, where is... Huh, that is kind of weird that if you don't specify... You can still specify border and background color, but if you don't specify border type, it just does its own thing. That's kind of weird. This border nav is, yeah, it's the about us, services, and everything like that. Huh. Interesting. And then I did TR nav because they wanted to do something functified about that. So where is the TR nav? And it's just, yeah, it's just really weird. Hmm. So you can have, we can go ahead and do the whole thing. It's just not going, probably not going to work the way they want it. That's all right. Let's go ahead and, again, I'm not really too thrilled about how they've coded their own website to begin with. And we're going to go with that way. Let's check that. Yeah. No, other way. There we go. And so we're going to make and then they want the TR height to be 32. Yeah, the funny thing is they have TR height for that to be 32, but yet for the other it is straight up nothing. Anyway, this kind of makes me glad that I just do not work with him at all, because it would drive me freaking nuts. It really would. So we're gonna put a TR. Since it's just that one, we'll just do like a TR dash. Because let's see, where does this go? That goes there. Covers that. Size plus 1. What's the deal with the size plus 1 plus 2? You can't freaking code it like that. I mean, you can, but it's... Jeez. Things like this just... Jeez, drive me freaking bat crazy. Okay, so they want TR height. I'm gonna have to look up TR stuff again. Table size. TH. Table alignment. So you do table alignment center. Gee Louise, come on now. THTD. TR, there we go. TR dot hover. Child. TR responsiveness. I mean, it'd be kind of, it just, TRC says style. This is something that really just does not make any sense whatsoever. TR width, text line right, background color, height. So it's in pixels. So let's go ahead and put, now still gotta put tr.nav. It's not nav, not nay. And, okay. And then, one at 32 pixels, that's, str height equals 32. So let's go with, height. Paste, height equals 32. Vertical line, border. Let's see, let's go with complete reference. Let's see. H T D H T R defines the roles. Seriously, that's pretty much it. Text line, background color. So I think this is how it's going to work. Except for we need to go ahead and do that. Actually, you know what? I don't know why I'm brain dead. With line height. Did I actually go with line height? I might have to go back and table nav, table line height, 32. Seriously? Did I really do it that way? Huh. Line heights. Vertical. Really? Vertical alignments. Styling tables. Table. Huh. Table size. That's rather interesting. Let's go ahead and save that. And, really? Oh. I think it's PX. Save. Huh. Really? It said TD. Really? Oh, duh. I forgot to freaking close it. Really? Now that's actually in. Oh, and then I forgot to give it to class. CLASS class. Okay, yeah. B1. Nav, not mav. That is goes there. And there's that. Okay, now we need to do tr class equals save. Okay, what same heck did I do? Huh. That's rather interesting. TRNF to center to border 2 pixels background color. Hmm. Because class F just says with 200, and then that is associated with table nav. So I got table nav. Right here. That is super weird. Okay, maybe it is. No, that is its own table. Do I have another regular table then? Huh. That is rather interesting. It really is. Huh. Wait. Did I? Oh, well, then I had to do a class nav. TD nav. That's what the problem is, I see now. Because the TD 20%. Okay, let's see what we got going out here. Yeah. Everybody's going nuts about the Arizona stuff. Yeah. Let's see. Actually, I need to check into that, to be honest. Okay. So. Yeah, because the TR, they wanted the whole thing. %, TD, 20%. TD nav with 20%. Okay, so I just did, okay. Alright. Dot nav 1. Because it's what the whole thing there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hit that, and then yeah. Okay. It's 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, okay. So, and then we're gonna do with percent. So we're gonna go ahead and take this, and then we're gonna go ahead and edit. I'm gonna go to paste. Of course, you guys aren't able to see all that much because of my wonderful, lovely faces in the way. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and space it, and then put that there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put closing tabs, and so we're gonna put this as, and then wanting that centered too. Seriously? Jeez, you guys be freaking kidding me, man. And that is TD, so we're just put text line center. Throw that. Go ahead and put that. No, there we go. So I want that centered. A class menu. Oh, so they're actually using some of the stuff. See this right here? That's in that CSS file that I showed you guys. Let me show you. Now which one are they going for? Just regular style suit. So let's go ahead. Open this up. Now, a menu hover, and see right here where it says class, a class equals menu, a dot class, or a dot menu. That's where that's going. So they clearly know how to use a style sheet. They just didn't decide, they just didn't want to code it like they're supposed to have done it. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of this. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Get rid of this. So we don't even need that. And we can go ahead and... Oh, crap, I just got too much on that one. So we can go ahead and go all out like this. So for the stuff that they actually used the style sheet for, I just opted to just leave it alone because it looks like they had an idea of what they were doing. And so CLASS equals, and we named it, we actually did name that nav1. And we do that for all of these level. I guess you could say columns. Either columns. Yeah, something like that. It's been a while since I did anything relating to yeah, something like that. So when we go ahead and now that should fix. Wait, what? It didn't have a background color provided there. Hmm. Menu. Oh, and this one had to go away. Go ahead and hit save. Try this again. Hmm. TD. This. No, we don't need that one. TD header, TDF. Background color, table nav. Huh. Oh, maybe it's because I don't have it like that. Copy. There we go. That might fix it. Huh. There we go. That's what it was. Hmm. And now we just have to repeat those lovely, wonderful steps. So, kind of makes me wonder if I screwed up here, though, then. No, like, that's the same thing. Where did I do table? Where is it? Vertical. Something. Vertical. There's something. Line height. Tier nav. Tier nav about us. Yeah, I'm not really sure what that was about. Oh, I know what HR is. It's hardline. Hmm. I don't know. Anyway, by the way, it's where how they wanted it to begin with. So now we pretty much do the same thing, except the table and the TD are the only things going to be changed for the second one. So we're just going to go ahead and copy pretty much the same thing, except for we're going to pretty much change. Come on, copy, paste. And instead of it being nav1, we're going to name it nav2. And this is the reason why I did with the 1 and 2. Or what named the first one 1. And then we're going to do the td dot nav. And we're going to name that 2 as well. And so this go around and 100% order to color. I want to change it from that to that. Come on, but I need to get a new mouse. This one's finally deciding to be a pain in the butt, except for that part. And then on this one, they want 14% instead of 20%. And they want it centered. So we will go like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit enter here so we can split them up. Then we're going to go hit enter here. Where does this go? This goes nowhere. Are you freaking kidding me? They have a and this, ladies and gentlemen, is the reason why I don't like to work on this kind of stuff all that much. Yeah, because as you will see, they clearly had no freaking clue what the same hell they were doing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of this paragraph because it literally goes nowhere. And let's see there. Actually, before we do anything, let's go ahead and run it through the validator and see if I screwed up, because I don't think I did. But this is some reason why I get irritated with them. They go ahead and tell me how crappy I did of a job for the housing authority, but yet they can't even code a web page worth crap. 85 and wait, did I forget to? Oh, well, of course I forgot to go ahead and do the whole thing with. Wait, what does it say it did? It is a misformed misformed bit sequence 85. I'm not sure what that's even talking about. That's a bad thing about having doing stuff like this. So we're gonna go ahead and zip all over here. And then we're gonna go ahead and go with CLASS equals AB2. Oh, I went a little too far. And that. Okay, so, and then they didn't change anything in the TR this go around. Then we're going to go ahead and go with CSS equals NA2. And then we gotta do that for all this. So let's go ahead and copy that over. Come on, there we go. My lovely, wonderful, beautiful mouse is deciding to try to die on me. Maybe I'll have to get a new mouse. Especially since mice are pretty much all cheap anyway. I don't need a very big or very good gaming mouse because even gaming mice are in some way they're pretty much just cheap mice to begin with. That's been overpriced and got a crap ton of features that most people like myself don't use when it comes to just doing stuff like this. Although you could actually set some of the buttons to do various things. So paste. Now you might be wondering why I have like nav2 and then nav1. It's so if I want to do something specifically to this table, since it's all by itself, it'll only affect this table. And if I just want to mess with these kind of cells, or these rows, the TD I think is the rows, TH I think is the columns, and TR I think is the stuff that's inside the cells. I think. Of course, it's been a while. Or maybe, no, strike that. TR is the rows, and TH is the columns. Yeah, something like that. One's one, one's the other, and then, yeah, something like that. So, but it'll make it more, if I just want to affect this table versus this table, since they have two tables, then I'll just affect that one table instead of both of them. Granted, even though I could probably, yeah, something like that. So, that's mainly the reason why I got them as nav1, nav2, and then named the TR for the top one just nav because they didn't vary the settings. And so as you will see, it's not that much of a difference, to be honest. We're going to go ahead and save it, and then we're going to go ahead and run it through the validator again. Now, what's going to potentially be a problem is figuring out what to call this. I might just go ahead and call it equal, since that's pretty much what it is to begin with. Equal. And, or a picture of a flying eagle. Because the way it is for blind people, if you don't have something set to tell it what it is, the screen will just say blank. I think I made a rant about it, about a lot of companies not doing, dealing with stuff like that. And then we're going to go ahead and close that for now. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and run it through the validator. And it should, and it's still going to come up with errors because we didn't fix all the problems yet, but it should kill off a lot. What's it going on about? Oh, wait, where is that? 76. Okay, yeah. It's complaining about that. Now, I don't know what they were planning on doing. Since we are also available for training on site. Yeah, I don't know what they're putting there to make it, because it's thrown up in air because there's an unknown character, or a character that's doesn't match up with the character set that it's supposed to be in. So let me go ahead and see, where is it? 76. Really? Okay, we'll fix that. Since that's pretty much what it was. Let's make sure. Yeah, that's pretty much what it was. 3 dots. Not sure why they wanted to do it that way though. So they'll be also available for online training on jobs on site as well as online. Because basically what it was just 3 dots. But the character, since they were using a different character set that isn't used to code pages, web pages, it just threw up an error, which is the reason why it has a question mark there. I should know because I've done it a couple of times myself and kind of scratched my head on how to fix it. So that should fix that problem. Let's go ahead and save it. I think that will fix that problem. It should. Oh man, I am so glad I just do not for them, because this would literally drive me up. Yeah, that's basically what it was. Basically what it was. So I'm gonna guess that's what they were aiming for, because it was just 3 dots there. But you gotta wonder what they were thinking. Now it's just right now to font size, font face, width. See, even right here, the W3C is saying that they should use CSS on most of the stuff. Yeah. And this is where it says, remember I said it's going to be a problem? It says an IMG element must have an ALT. That's so screen readers, so blind people happen to stumble on this page. When, for the love of God, it decides to work, their screen reader will actually go ahead and say, hey, this is what they're saying this picture is. Otherwise, it'll just show up as blank. Seriously. That's the reason why in here I actually have it set like holding hands, pins, stuff like that. That's basically all that is. So, let's see, that is line number 71. Okay. And then the width, and then the font size. If, wait, did they actually make? What? It says it's part of 71, but it's not. Unless it's... from line... Oh, that's from the error code from line 71. Yeah, okay, I see now. To line 62, 72. Okay, yeah. I see now. So that will be... let's see, where is it? So I got to... No. Oh, that explains it. So we're going to go ahead and hit copy this. So it goes right after the text, or the picture. So we are going to go with, and it is in person. Yeah, okay. So go. Yeah, just a second. Well, no, that's not what. Okay, just want to make sure on how to spell. Cool. So we're gonna go with two there. Actually, we're going to go with a flying eagle. So it gives them an idea that it's a picture of a flying eagle. Actually, can we go ahead and close this? Okay, bring that back up. Alright, so that should. Let's make sure real quick though, because you always want to make sure on everything. Always want to make sure. You always want to check. You want to double check, triple check. Because if you're like me, you can go nuts about some of the stuff. And that actually fixed it. So we're now with TD with. Now did we do a TD nav? We're going to name it. Here's the problem with some stuff is naming. Try to name it. We kind of shrunk it a little bit. I don't know. Maybe we fixed some of the problems. Okay, so actually, what was? You know what? Was it really just color? Because those are that's blue, that's white. Because to me, this actually looks far better than actually having it in tables like that. Okay, so actually let's just name it. Just name it TD equal. So that's basically what it is. And they're wanting it because they're wanting the table to be centered if I remember right. So we can go ahead and have well, actually no, let's go ahead and try the table center first. Because I do think that they wanted that table to be centered. And everything else to be yeah, I think I'm definitely going to be buying a new mouse. Especially since my lovely, wonderful stimulus check. Yay. as you can really tell, I'm just thrilled to death to get one. I'd much rather be doing work. As you can really see, I can actually do go ahead and work. But no, my lovely, wonderful. It's just irritating losing work. Especially when you're like me, you didn't bother to actually go to college, you actually decide to learn how to do some of the stuff and actually understand it. I mean, granted, I can't remember it all because the stuff that the IT world actually changes all the time, but I still have ways to go back and try to uh, pick it back up again. You know, some stuff I haven't used in a while. I don't normally use tables when it comes to designing web page or anything like that. Dude, let's see. Let's see. Table tips. Probably need to bring it down a bit. 50. Make it where they're close together. But yeah, I don't. It just aggravates me to no end to have a degree and not be able to use it all that much because the people that you actually used to work for decided, oh well, we really don't need you all that much. Because they want to save money. Ooh, no. See, we wanted something like that. I think that's what they're aiming for. So, just gotta find magic number. Where it. Some of this you actually have to get pretty creative to, maybe it's 40. Of course, I can't get on their website because it's deciding not to work right now. So I can't even compare it to anything. Actually, let's go ahead and see if we can even bring it up. It'd be nice. It really would be. So let's go with 45. Do you want to get it as close to what they want? You can't. Okay, yeah. I think that's pretty close. I think that's literally the only thing. And then they want size plus 2. Is that actually passing? No, it's not. Size plus 2. I wish I could remember what I used for plus 2. Let's see. Height, line height, no. Text. Font size. Wonder if it was 24 pixels. Oh, so it wanted TD with 32. Uh-huh. So I want to have to put a I want to have to put TDs. TD width somewhere. Okay, have it. Wait a minute. Actually, we'll just go ahead and CTR, yeah, and yeah, I know I actually put a lot of stuff separated, but if I just want to deal with that part of it, then yeah, that's why I do it. Center, um, and it's a no. That's what it is. It's a space in between. I don't know why they decided to do that, but actually, let's go with let's actually name it space. SPAC TD space. Yeah, and then we'll put like with 32 because I think it's 32 pixels. That's what they're after. Again, I don't know why they decided to do that, but hey, if that's what they want to do, then we'll go ahead and do it. I have no problem with that. I guess I could kind of see what they're trying to do. It just, in my opinion, kind of makes no sense. C equals SPAC. And then we'll go ahead and put save, and it should not change much. Oh, okay, well, a little bit. And then we will go with I guess we can name the other one let's see. Let's see. Is it coming up at all? Barely? It's still barely coming up. So let's go to my website. Now, mind you, this is how host it locally. So it's not going to give me that much problems. And yeah, it's fine and dandy. I can just go ahead and refresh. It's going to take a little, and maybe not. Yeah, catch my stream. As a matter of fact, it's probably it actually says I'm off stream. That's kind of weird. I probably need to recopy that. But anyway, can you have a resume on my webpage? Actually, I probably need to go ahead and just embed my Twitch stream in there and get her with. Yeah, I might just end up doing that. Just be done with it. That's where all the loot stuff go to. That's the reason why I've been pushing. That's literally the only reason why I push for Twitch at all. So, but yeah, I have my own lovely, wonderful thing, and this is what it looks like when you are here locally. Now, when you're out of the network, it might be a little bit slower since I got lovely, wonderful AT&T internet, and it decides to just crap out every now and then. But when stuff like this happens, nobody wants to go to your site. Matter of fact, no one wants to take you seriously. I don't even want to take you seriously. Now I'm an IT guy. Sorry, I know. It's supposed to. I try not to rant on my stream very long, but I just feel like I need to go ahead and just go loose on it a little bit. I think we'll name it PD text because it's own little PD stuff, and then we'll try to do see what 24 looks like on pixels. So TXT. Then we'll go ahead and put is it font size? Yeah, font size. Okay, font size. Oh, come on now. Dang it. There we go. Copy. Paste. And then we're going to go ahead and close it out before I forget it again. And it's okay, so we're going to do this. I'll do it like this. That's the reason why it wasn't working for the background for that that part, because background color has to be background dash color. So font size +2. Size +2. Now we're gonna have to guesstimate on the size that they want, because again, I have nothing to compare it to. So we're going to go ahead and do 24 pixels. I think that's what they were after, but I'm not for sure. And then we're going to save. Delete. And of course they got this in bold. So anyway, let's see. Go to okay. Yeah, sorry. Just having a conversation with a friend of mine. So again, they're wanting to have it bolded too. So hang on a minute, guys. So anyway, sorry about that. So they're wanting it to be bold and italicized too on top of that. So font weight, font style. See, this is how you do it for quite a lot of stuff. Let's go ahead and come on. Go. Then we do that because they want it bold and italicized. So I'm gonna get rid of that. We don't need it no more. And again, they didn't even have. Yeah, they did not have a lot of stuff going. They're supposed to. Like they had the end the closing, but yeah, it's. Then we're gonna go ahead and put LAASS class equals txt. Now again, I'm going to have to guesstimate on this is what they're wanting for font size because I can't. Their website's being all crappy. Friend of mine is well, actually, I'm kind of sort of supposed to be his sponsor, except for I don't know if I am anymore or not. Still like to think that I am though. See, they even have a blank TR in here or a TD in here that goes nowhere. It goes absolutely nowhere. No. Okay, so we need to go to. Oh. Thanks. Okay, so we are going to be what, 48? I think it's 48. Should get to where they're wanting it. Wait. Wait, what? Huh. That's kind of weird. Anyway, so, font size. Did I not do it right? I don't think. Font size. Yeah, I did it right. Font size 16px. Wait. Wait. Let's go ahead and do, font size. CSS font size. SIC. HTML, CSS. Let's see. So yeah, you can do it in pixels. Oh man. Yeah, see, I actually did it in pixel size, but apparently pixel size is not the way to go anymore, I guess. Uh, Wait, did I forget to filter? Huh. Well, I'm missing something here. Well, let's go ahead and just get rid of this because uh space because that's actually close. Kind of makes me wonder if they're wanting another space there, to be honest. If that's what they were after. If that's what they're after, let's go ahead and put it in there. Save. And no. TD, text, TD space. Anyway, actually, I don't. He doesn't know that I'm streaming, so yeah. It's no biggie because a lot of people don't know when I stream because I don't stream on my personal Facebook page anymore. I actually go to my gaming page to do some of all my streaming when it comes to Facebook now. So, and plus, I don't think he pays attention to it anyway. Otherwise, it's not that big of a deal. Okay, so we got rid of that. Oh, that's the reason why, because I got his text instead of test. Jeez Louise, I'm having all sorts of problems. XT, not TX, not test. It'd be alright if I could actually get some of the stuff going, huh? There, oh, no, that's too big, too big. Let's go back to 24. I think it was 24 that they're actually using, the way it looked. No, I think it might be slightly bigger than that. I think. Uh, yeah, I think she's asleep, so. Anyway, so I think that's about right. I'm not for sure. Whenever I have a chance to actually get into the website, because where we'll see, um, it's not happening. It really isn't. So, I think that's roughly about where they want it on top of that. So, and then +1, I think which was this? Yeah, they literally they opened and closed the freaking font, but they didn't close the paragraph. Let me go ahead and scroll this. See that down there? Right here? Here? Yeah. I can't, well, actually, I could probably go ahead and do it this way. Pump that up like that. No. And as you can see, you know, they've opened and closed the font. But, see this right here? That's open paragraph page. Or open paragraph tag. With nothing to close it with. Anyway. So we are going to first fix that freaking problem by let's see, no, closing the paragraph. Now we are going to, since it's literally the only paragraph, we are going to go ahead and just do a paragraph E, and that's about it. And we're going to do font. Just going to go ahead and copy all this over here so we know what the hell they're wanting. And excuse my language, it's just, like I said, this is just driving me bad. Just about insane. So we're going to go ahead and run that on 2. And then we're going to go ahead and that. And so we're going to go with size. I think it was 19. It was fairly close to their supposed +1 size. And then font face, we established it was this, so we're going to copy this. The other thing about IT, if somebody's already done it for, you just copy and paste. There's no problem with copying and pasting. It's like there's no point in reinventing the wheel. That was one of the first things I was taught while attending the OSU at Mogi, was to never try to reinvent the wheel. Always see if somebody else has done it first. So, oh man. And there's no point in reinventing the wheel or anything like that. If there's someone who's already done it, do it, see how they've done it, and if you do something a little bit better, then tweak it then. But just don't write an entire. I guess somebody wrote an app on how to do a groceries list, and somebody's already done it, but you want it to do something different than what was originally done. You just take the code and then you change it to the way you want it to do. So that's what I mean by not reinventing the wheel or anything like that. Sure. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, there it is. Oh man. So, now, mind you, again, I am not sure. Okay, so it might be 20 pixels. Let's go with 20 pixels. Um, Wait. Actually, let's go with 20. Again, I am having to like extremely guess on what they're after. Paste. Oh, I forgot to where is it? Damn, hey guys, I kind of lost what I was. There it is. Oh, no, 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 wait. No, 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 no. Sure, that's not what I was aiming for, though. Uh, oh, jeez, yeah. There we go. Now let's go back to, what was it? 19. I think it was 19, yeah. I forgot to, wait. P dot block. Actually, let's go ahead and call it a P dot footer. Because anyway, that's what it is, a footer. Let me go ahead and put this as S goals footer. No, wait. Footer. And huh. Maybe it's the family that's not being used right. Oh man. Is there really a bell.mt uh, font? I really don't even know if there is really that kind of font. Oh, there is really that. Okay, so maybe it's because I don't have it installed. Fit. Last footer. Okay, so it's in there. And family font, because it's supposed to be family font. Family font. Oh, duh. Stories on there. All sorts of little problems today. There we go. Now we're going to switch this back. That's because I had the wrong thing. Dang it. See, that's the bad thing about... Yeah, it's about as close as they're going to get. You're probably wondering what the Simic's going on. Where's this spot you speak of? Yeah, anyway. So as you can see, it didn't even bother to load up. No surprise there. Um, let's see. Uh, routine. And materials. As long as you come up with your own routine and materials. And one. September. Any? No. Yeah. As long as you come up with your own routine materials, you can break it. Just in my opinion. Alright. So let's go ahead and run this again. And it should be just fine now. Did I remember to save it? Yeah. And so yeah, it should be just fine. And there you go. Document show checking completed. No errors or warnings. Imagine that. Now you see how you see how easy it is to fix these lovely, wonderful pages they put together and decided to not bother to go back and fix later on. I mean, it's really not that hard to fix problems with code. I mean, yeah, I did a little, not in so much of a professional way because the CSS style part of it is actually in the page, which is not really all that recommended to begin with. But since they can't freaking code it like it's supposed to begin with, I'm just kind of showing you where I've fixed the problems in CSS. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, jeez. uh, actually. Sorry about that, guys. See, how far have we got? Do we got enough time for... yeah, we might have enough time a little bit for another page, the next page. So let's go ahead, since that's pretty much... Again, I can't really say for sure that we're actually finished with this because, as you can guys very well see, I can't bring up the part of their webpage or part of their website. Let's see if the index page will even come up again. Kind of makes you wonder if somebody is you know, like DDoSing them, or at least part of their website anyway. So, we got services. Let's go to software. Now I have a feeling that this is going to be, yeah, because you're really, yeah. You know what? You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and, I'll turn on vanish mode. Hmm. Oh. Yeah, I don't want that on. That's kind of weird. Sendcast isn't. Okay. Yeah, you know what? 'Cause I have a funny feeling this is going to be full of problems. So let's go ahead and, see, what is this? No. This is software. So we're going to see how many errors that are in here. Support software. And we're going to see, are you kidding me? TD side, but there were no in TD scene, but no, there were open elements, unclosed elements. Now, see, this is what drives me nuts. A name PH, A name S8, A name IR. Are you trying to do anchors? Body font center. Again, they don't got. They're trying to use center. I guess. What were you going on about? Name. The name attribute is obsolete considered using IDs. Yeah, I think they were trying to use anchors. Anchors where you actually can go ahead and go to a specific point in the web page instead of, yeah, it's kind of weird. Hmm. So I am going to call it a day because to see that there's so many errors, like 100. This is just literally riddled with errors. It's literally riddled with errors. In fact, there's the center. Let's go ahead and see where the center is. So we're going to say that. So we're going to go ahead and open. It was what, services? I think is what it was. Let's go ahead and refresh. No, it was software. Software. Okay. So, where does this? Let's see, where is it? Center. There's that center. Yeah. Now it kind of looks like they're trying to do this the right way. So it's just that they've like capital, seriously, and then on top of that, where they have capital Li or like lowercase and capital Li. So I think this will be the first one where I actually have to run it through Tidy. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call it a lovely, wonderful, glorious day. And most of this are in blocks. Yeah, block quote right there. Block quote. So they don't even have. Jeez. Yeah, I'm just. It's going to drive me nuts working on this one today. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see, where is it? Did I not roll the credits from here? Really? Well, that kind of sucks. Console start. Let's. Huh. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and roll the credits. And of course, you guys can't see it, so I'm going to go ahead and close this too. Close that. Close that. So, I do greatly appreciate all the people that stopped by. It's just, you can see the frustration in my lovely, wonderful face. Actually, let's go ahead and go with the IRS though. There we go. So as you can very well see, it's frustrating to do some of this work. And it's frustrating to work with some of these companies that want to ridicule you of your work, but yet they can't do anything right themselves. So, with that being said, today I plan on re-registering with Extra Life so I can get that started again and change up all the addresses for it. And I plan on leaving the one for Games to Give, so whenever it comes around again, I can just go ahead and just change the address there too. So with all that being said, don't have too much fun, and have a happy new year, or at least try to. And don't kill too many people or do anything stupid that I wouldn't do. Then again, in this day and age, there's a lot of stuff that I probably would do that I wouldn't consider doing when I was younger. Me going through the pains of actually demonstrating on how to code a HTML or to actually, fix HTML errors And web pages happens to be one of them, I guess. So, yeah, don't have too much fun. And, bye. You